everybody. This is Dr. Mary Williams talking today about the research paper instructions. You should have already looked at the research paper basics, and here are more specific things. Here's how to achieve your goal of writing a good research paper in our class. Read through the essay questions from which you can choose. Ask me anything about them, but ask it sooner rather than later. Choose only one question. You can't write more than one paper. Thank goodness, huh? Read primary sources. Of course, in the previous video, we talked about primary. Those are the things we're reading in this class. Understand what they're saying. Understand what they're not saying. Paraphrase, summarize them, make sure you get it. Participate in all the classwork. This will help you get started with this paper process. If you leave out assignments or you run late all the time, you can't do a good paper. Start reading and keep reading secondary critical sources about the primary sources. Start collecting, so to speak, any and every source you think you might possibly use that you find, paper, online, whatever. Note its bibliographic information as soon as possible. You will need, of course, 2 to 3 primary sources and 4 to 7 secondary sources. You're going to have to blend these ideas, your ideas, with those of the sources, so to speak, opposing and in favor of. You can't just use their ideas. This is your paper. It's your answer to the question. You have to cite every single idea that does not belong to you, regardless of whether you quote. We have looked at the plagiarism rules for Midland College. Do not forget them. Please do not use what are called article abstracts. In other words, if you can't get to an article online, there may be a summary of it. I don't want the summary. I want the whole article. And about number 10, interlibrary loan is possible if you can't get a hold of an article. Most of them are, of course, available in the computer automatically. There's no problem. You can, however, interlibrary loan. Use one wiki type source only. Why? Because they are based on facts, and some of them are a little questionable. If you need facts, you look online in other places, you ask me, and you look in your textbook. We'll find out later. Number 13 says MLA format throughout, and it must be correct. You know, heading, page numbering, number of spaces, all that good stuff has to be done correctly. I hope these are helpful. You also have access to the MLA website. You have access to other things, the Midland College Language Hub online. Please do not think that you do not have any help. You also have your resource teachers, and you have me. Get a hold of me when you need to. Feel free to ask questions even more than once. That's okay. If you don't understand, you don't understand. Ask me. Please start on this paper when it's time to do so as soon as you can. Read and think and read again and ask me questions. Here again is my phone number, 432-685-4631. Please leave voicemail if I am not answering. And of course, my email address is 2mswilliams@midland.edu. You can do this. Get after it. Thanks, y'all. Have a great day.